Well, I had a request for one of the 3D printed planet robots, but in the hammer tone silver, which is still a color that's available, so you're not paying crazy prices for the colors that have been discontinued, like the light blue on eBay. A single spray can of that starts at 180 bucks. Some people are trying to get as much as 400 bucks. Crazy prices. But since this stuff's still off the shelf, you can get it for like 12 bucks a can. So in this case, I'll show you how nice it turned out. For example, you can see the hammer tone, and it pretty much hides all of the layer lines of the 3D printing. It's a very nice looking hammer tone silver. Functions on this one, of course, are exactly the same as the other ones that we built. You've got the eyes that flash, the clicking sound, the moving arm, the moving meter. You've got the strobing effect down in the window below. And of course the bump and go action if I put it on the floor. But I thought some of you might want to just see the difference in color. I'll put a link to maybe the last of the videos that I did on mine. That one was what they call Verta green, and it's a discontinued color also, but it's kind of a turquoise, a blue-green color, hammer tone finish. Very nice color.